Turmeric has been around since ancient times and has been used in traditional Eastern medicine. Add color to your life, as they say. One of its active ingredients, curcumin, which you probably are familiar with, was isolated in 1815 in the pure form. But it is just one ingredient of turmeric. Today, it is used as a coloring and spicing agent throughout different cuisines. But remember, turmeric is not just a spice. We forget that it has many medicinal properties. It is medicine. But remember, it is pretty safe, even up to 12 grams per day, which is roughly 4 teaspoons. But some people may experience some side effects. So it is important to understand that everyone may require a different dosage depending on their health condition. It does have some GI, gastrointestinal side effects, stomach cramps, diarrhea, and does interact with some commonly used medicines which we use for our stomach, the pepsid, the protonics, and for the heart, the platelet, antiplatelet agents, aspirin, Plavix. Hence, I advise that one should seek proper medical holistic consultation before starting any supplement, here turmeric. Now, it has many properties, which you may not be familiar with. It's a galactagogue. It increases breast milk volume tremendously, as shown in this animation. So it's a boon in developing countries. Also, it is beneficial for the heart. It has been shown to decrease the incidence of heart attacks in patients who have undergone cardiac bypass surgery by a whopping 65%, as shown here. Turmeric has many more such benefits. We have videos on that. However, unfortunately, it has very low bioavailability. What does that mean? Low absorption, assimilation from the gut, and rapid excretion, elimination from the body. So what can you do? Well, you could simply use a pinch of the black pepper, and that increases the absorption of turmeric into our body by a ginormous 2000%, as shown in this slide. Further, you could heat and add fat. So here we have added milk and heat, and this will aid in the absorption of turmeric. That is why I recommend the golden milk, which is such a powerful tonic, a metabolic tonic, giving you such powerful health benefits that it should become part of your daily routine. I hope this helps. Please kindly subscribe, call for your holistic consultation, and begin your own journey to health and happiness. Thank you for watching.